These are the 20 most weight loss friendly foods on the planet, packed with nutrients, low in calories, and scientifically proven to help you burn fat faster. Let's dive in. 1. Eggs were once demonized for cholesterol, but now they're a top-tier weight loss food. High in protein and healthy fats, they keep you full for hours while boosting metabolism. 2. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamins. They add bulk to meals without adding inches to your waistline. 3. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, fueling fat burning while keeping you satisfied for hours. A must-have for any weight loss diet. 4. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are fiber-packed and incredibly filling, making them powerful allies in the battle against belly fat. 5. Lean meat and chicken breast prove that protein is king when it comes to weight loss. They help build muscle, increase metabolism, and reduce cravings. 6. Boiled potatoes may be surprising, but they're one of the most satiating foods on the planet. High in potassium, they help control appetite naturally. 7. Beans and legumes, including lentils, black beans, and chickpeas, are protein and fiber-rich, keeping you full and stabilizing blood sugar levels. 8. Cottage cheese is high in protein, low in fat, and packed with calcium. It helps burn fat while keeping your muscles strong. 9. Avocados stand apart from other fruits, loaded with healthy fats that help you absorb nutrients and stay full longer. 10. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural appetite suppressant. It helps regulate blood sugar and aids digestion, making it a powerful weight loss tool. 11. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios combine healthy fats, fiber, and protein in one. They crush hunger cravings while fueling fat loss. 12. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats are slow-digesting carbs that keep you full, energized, and in fat-burning mode all day. 13. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a magic compound that boosts metabolism and helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. 14. Fruits like apples, berries, and grapefruits are naturally low in calories, packed with fiber, and scientifically proven to aid weight loss. 15. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, keeping you full for hours while providing a powerhouse of nutrients. 16. Coconut oil is different from regular fats. The medium-chain triglycerides it contains are burned for energy, reducing appetite and boosting metabolism. 17. Greek yogurt is high in protein, probiotics, and healthy fats. It improves gut health and helps torch stubborn belly fat. 18. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and catechins that supercharge metabolism and accelerate fat loss. 19. Dark chocolate, when it's 70% or higher in cocoa, contains healthy fats and antioxidants that can actually aid weight loss when eaten in moderation. 20. Water is the ultimate weight loss drink. Drinking enough boosts metabolism, suppresses hunger, and helps your body burn fat efficiently. Incorporate these powerhouse foods into your diet. Stay consistent, and watch the results speak for themselves. Weight loss isn't about starving. It's about fueling your body the right way. Want more delicious ways to fuel your body? Grab your free Keto Snacks Cookbook. Plus, discover other little-known but powerful nutrient sources that might surprise you. Don't miss out. Check the link now.